resign by Alireza Firuza. Vidit OP हो जाए guys. VDOP. Vidit beats Firuza with the white pieces in Sicilian. Amazing. Still his calmness, his comeback. He must have lost. Yes, he must have lost to win yesterday, that winning position, so it drew. He must have, even before that he lost. सब कुछ होने के बावजूद he has shown that you can still fight for a win. You can still fight for a win, and he's done that. You can still be alert. Ali Reza having a very tough tournament. In fact, just on 1.5 is definitely stronger for the points he has, and we will move to what Pragnanda is going to do, because 2 decisive games for Indians is not an easy task. Prag wins. Okay, before we leave, Vidit OP in the chat and everywhere on Twitter, everywhere. We will. It's over. Result is updated. Pragnananda beats Nijat in the open section, in the men's section. 2.5 out of 3 is crazy. मतलब guys, India OP कर दो एक बार. India, seriously, amazing in the men's section. Of course, we had a very tough day in the women's section because Vaishali lost and Humpy is losing. Knight C3 has been on the board. A2 is coming in, so this is a loss. Yet, no matter what, this victory is very important for Pragnananda. If I must show you, I don't think the chess results would have got updated, but let me just bring in the standings. If you see the standings here on my right, Gukesh moved to 4 points, Nepo on 4, both are the joint leaders. Caruana on 3.5, Prag on 3.5, very much, running behind them in that marathon. Anytime they can overtake the leaders, they are right there. So Caruana and Prag on 3.5 and 3.5. Then we have Hikaru on 3, Vidit on 3. So, दोनों मिलके साथ चल रहे. There's nobody alone right now. Gukesh, Nepo walking together. Caruana, Prag, they're walking together. Nakamura, Vidit, they are a team. And Nijat, Firuza, they're also together, which is also very nice that at least, nobody's left alone that way. So it's actually very funny that out of 8 players, every 2 players are on the same points. It's not a very often scenario.